friends. We ran in 3-kilometer category with my family. This is our first marathon happened in Kantirava Stadium conducted by Canara Bank. Myself and my brother enjoyed much. Our main motivation is hydration point. We had water, juices, biscuit and bananas. After completed marathon, we got medals and few freebies. We met former cricket player Venkatesh Prasad in the event. Hope you all like my video. If you guys participated in any marathon before, smash like and subscribe.